What's up, YouTube? This is day 5. They're hopping a lot more today. Parents are eating a lot more. The parents have tubes right now, and I don't have another heater, so I can't really move the babies so that I can allow the parents to spawn again. I just made a fresh brine shrimp, so tomorrow when they free swim they should have food, hopefully. I have 2 things of brine shrimp. One, I think the hatch rate isn't as well as the other. I currently have it in this because my dog likes to get in fish stuff, so it's right there. So I don't have anything that I used to have to be able to make this stuff, so it's kind of difficult. Here's a picture of the babies though. Try to get a view. They have eyeballs right now, so it's kind of cool. And they're hopping a lot more. Parents are not as aggressive, which is a good and bad thing. I just hope they don't eat them whenever the babies start hopping. So, or free swimming, I mean. So, but here's one of the parents, and here's the other. That's them right there. They should be free swimming tomorrow, if not the next day. So, if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free. This is their first time doing this, so they're doing extremely well. Rate and subscribe if you want to keep watching these little guys be raised and grown up and whatnot. Feel free. I'm still trying the samples from that person that sent me some free fish food to try out. I had to pay for shipping, so it wasn't technically free. But I'll update you guys when I'm done trying out all that food. But that's them right there. Questions or comments, feel free. Peace.